Kublai pi barong ipdang subhai pi shikatup kubo mentagajan miet shaban pai shi kubo kibo banyak ini pechwai kimat berkongsan. Menjur kesoka pedeng ya kekai pot geological jong ki sangut ki traipar haka jelan haka benta ban but renti ya ke rukom ti dawyong kat kum ke juk start ke bementa. Sim kesoka re kejaka ke ba iway point naik pesawat akar na ke benta bantai ke projek ruwe ke beningkong haka jelan. Ya kendu ka AICC ya ki kertong ka seng Kongres ha Meghalaya. Mat don jingkermen ka BJP ban job lakum numno Khasi ha ke election MLA. Ki kubo ki bebunya. Kasoka pedeng kala menjuri ke kaipod geological jong ki sangut ki trai dawyong jong ke jela. Naga benta ban but renti ya ki rukom ti dawyong ha ke juk menta ha ke jela. Menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad ki sangma loong ba ka Ministry of Coal kala menjuri ke kaipod balapa da ki sangut ki trai dawyong. Kita ki sangut ki trai par kila ai ya ke mining plan sya ke sorkar haswa ba ki nyok jingbet na ke benta ban sedang ya ke jingti dawyong ha ke juk ke bementa. Menteri rang ba loong ba ke jela menta ke dangsa satang shisen jam ban sedang no ya ke jingti dawyong kat kum ke juk start ke bementa ha ke jela. Kasoka jela kala ujor halo ke ni ke benta sya ke Supreme Court ban yakun persya halo ke jingsya khang ban ti dawyong ha ke National Green Tribunal ha usnam ahajar khatsau.
The geological reports of the state that have been submitted by 4 of the miners has been approved by the Government of India. Once these geological reports are approved, this is one step away from the mining license to now be given. And hence, these 4 applicants now, whose geological reports now have been approved by Government of India, will submit their mining plans as per the norms laid down by Government of Meghalaya and Government of India, and we expect that the licenses should shortly be given to these 4 miners or these 4 applicants.
Kasorka jela kalasoye ke jing benjur bat karyat laban dor barshnong ban shim me ke jaka ke ba iway point la pesau hectares ke badon ha Shillong Peak haduk ka life sans nem na ke benta bentai ya ke Shillong Roadway project ke ba shispa life pra kelur tingka ke belong ke beningkong ha ke jela. Kasorka akan penbahaya ke ke jaka ke ban longkum ke jaka jengok kai namar na ke ke jaka la ban yo I barok ki benta jong kenong ba Shillong. Menteri rang ba konrad ki sangma hakala singi ublei ula penyat ya ketika jingelang ha Shillong Peak na kebenta ban pen urlong ya ketai ke projek. Ki nongilam ke All India Congress Committee lani ke AICC balalam khmat da unongilam barang ba ke seng u gorof gogoi ne ke singi ulai kendu iki kertong ke seng Congress ki banyak hun hak election jong ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly na ke seng Congress. Ugogoi ubalong ru usong kenor jong ke screening committee ulo ong baga kenhun kalai kendu ya kita ki kertong na ke benta banyak keren bat ki ban sngothu ya ke jengklan jong ke kenhun ban tip ya ke jeng angnut jong ki pat ba. Ban pentikna halo ke jeng kershan ke AICC na ke benta kita ki kertong ugogoi ulo ong baga seng kan pelong ya ke jengelap election na ke benta jong ki.
Committee and
President, are you still sticking with your allegation in the past?
national issues. Gaurav is the spokesperson of our party.
We are here to meet with the candidates for the upcoming elections and find out what is the position on the ground, what is the strength of the organization, what is the mood of the people.
Nong lam ketien ke seng BJP uba kakrang ne ke sngi ulo ong ba ke seng ke don jingkerman banjob la kumno khatsan teli ki seat akan ne ke election MLA. Abai kran begelap thai khubor uba kakrang ulo ong ba ke seng ke la treshitom na ke benta ban pen urlong bat yo jingjob khambun. Khamashwa ulo ong ba ka jing pediang jong ki pat ba ya ke seng ha ke jala kala nang kieu. Utai unong ilam keseng ulo ong bayaki skim gum ka fokus but focus plus support ka jing siu ka basan hajar tingka la ai shikin nong rep kan ambanra ka jingmi ka babha. Hakabe day bat ka jingjia dangshan lo ka shiti balato dagi pulit ka Assam shapang ki riungai kristan ulo ong ba umin pirang ba ka Assam ulo dep penshai halor kani ka benta.
Right now, I can say that we have about 15 seats, which are very promising, and we are working hard for some more seats. And definitely, after the declaration of the candidates, then I can, with confidently, I can assure you that you will see after everything has been cleared up, the candidates been declared, you will see a sudden surge in the strength of the party.
Unong ilam kaseng NCP na rilum garu usaleng sangma ula penpau ya kajing benyau halo kajing pendonkam baklai ki skim jong kesoka raga jela. Ula ong badangshan la yo iya uwei ubri ubasam ya ki dummy check harilum garu klem da donlang ki he officer jong kesorkar. Ula ong ba ula dep ban ai jing ujor cha udisi hakabe day bat kanie. Ula bu jing keliru ba kumnu kinong syakri pat ba kim don jing tip AA shapang kanie bat ki aila dia unu ubriu ban sam ya ki skim jong kesorkar.
They are bringing the piglets, like that piglet was given by the center under the backward livelihood program. Okay, backward livelihood program by the center. But I don't know why these individuals are carrying the piglets on their own, even even the poultry also. Whereas if they want to distribute, the bloc wants to distribute, there should be a proper arrangement. There should be selections. Who are the poor people? Who are the BPL people?
Working President kaseng UDP uba polling do enen kesngi ulo ong baka inline permit kamdai syu kamat banyakran lani yatai hakapor election. Abakan tho ya ka jing persang jong kiseng sain perthai sa sisien pat banwanra ya ka ILP kum kawai nikimat yatai uba polling do ulo ong baka lenti ka bebyang palat kalong banra ya ka rai ka belapdiang ha ka assembly house nam aja khat khandai. Kumban syupen kenmau ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hau no pra ahaja khat khandai kala pedang bat menjur ya karai na kebentaban pentrikam ya ka ILP hapo jong kejela.
We are still in the drafting stage of the party manifesto, but the ILP has already been endorsed by the State Assembly, and the resolution has been forwarded to the Union Government and the Parliament of India. So the ILP is no longer an issue to be discussed and debated.
Mentapat inyepet ya kajing long jiman ka sumeneng shalong. Kajing shit kalong khat saw point pra degree Celsius but kajing kriat kalong lai point san degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau hau kalong prapu anak shispa menstep but prap kundai nak shispa janmit. Kala bandon kajing hap slap kaba malumala hakikat tu kat ni ki benta hashlong. Sa sisian pat ni penkan mawi pi be kene ka khubor jongi pila ban pej ha ka ju hi kapor ha ka YouTube channel bat ru pila ban pej ya ki khubor ba man la ka sngi ha ka Facebook ka Twitter bat Instagram jong ka DD News shalong. Shwawan poi shik bakut jong ka thup khubor ni pej biang sa asian ni kini kimat bakongsan. Menjur kesoka pedeng ya kai pot geological jong ki sangwat ki trai par ha ka jalan na bentaban buat renti e ka komti dawyong kat kum ka juk start ka bementa. Shim kesoka re ka jaka ka ba iway point lai pesawat akar na ka bentaban tei ka project roadway ka ban ningkong e ha ka jalan. Ikendu ka AICC ya ki kertong ka seng Kongres ha Meghalaya. Mat don jing kermen ke BGP ban job la kumnu khat san seat ha ka election MLA. Te parlok kat tungi la poi she bekut jong tup khobor jing mentaga janmiet hadu bangin deshan pilasai ka sngi ha ga jog ko ko de shibuni pi baro.